What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Milo Outdoors. Thanks for coming back to join us. Today we're out in Brigantine, Atlantic City area. We're going to do some flounder fishing, hopefully get into some fish. Chris and his buddy Zach are going to be tagging along with us, so we're going to see if we can get them on some fish today. Usually this spot's really good, have had a lot of luck out here, but we'll see what happens today. Weather is overcast, really foggy. It's supposed to be some pretty high winds, so we try to get out here early as possible, but ran into some hiccups this morning. May or may not have lost the cooler on the highway today, so we had to go hunt it down, but hang tight. Let's see if we can go catch some fish. Are you?
Yeah, he's on.
Do you feel a fight?
Yeah, get on that one. Stop, up.
Don't horse it. I gotta bump this up. I got it.
Got it? All right.
Bring it right here. Bring it right here. Go. Right here. Right to me. Right to me.
Good job, go.
Good job, go. That probably is 17. But there you go. Go up with the first fish. All right, board's right. Ooh, I'm getting bit right now. Damn. You know how to measure that, Gup? 18. Oh, he's a keep. He's gonna be a keep. Oh!
18, right? I think so, yeah.
Mouth closed? Yep, tosser.
Picture or not?
Hold it up for the GoPro. Or do that. There we go. Alright, get him back in the water. Oh my God. I can scooch out more. god, that's a nice one, dude.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yo, get that fucking. Woo! Lift that thing up, dude.
Trying to, he's not fitting in the net. There we
Woo!
go. That's a big one. He'll keep.
Yo, there we go, boy.
Yo, it is a maze back.
Oh my god. There we go.
God, Steve-O. Just looking, trying to avoid them by avoiding me, by avoiding the net.
What a hell of a net job that was. Oh my god. I thought you were trying to beat it off of it.
No, it's hard. I couldn't get it like the net the right way for the rods.
All right.
I want to break them before getting caught in the net. That was yeah, the rod's right behind me, boss.
Alright, that's fine.
You step on.
Let me see that measuring thing. I'm gonna
go.
measure. I'm gonna measure. He just keeps it anyway, but dude, he slammed it.
That's a good fish, dude.
Nice.
That's awesome. We just got some ice there again.
No, low white.
White? That's what I got on right now.
18.
Nah, he's bigger.
He's 19.
Got one. Ah, man.
Got a crab again.
Crab.
All right. That's what we're talking about. One for the box. He's not happy about it.
Where's my dad? Stop and have. Like, you gotta figure out what to put on what.
There we go. Give me some.
Good job, man.
First keeper on the boat for season. There we go, guys. Oh.
That is one thing that's gotten better though, since they've up the fish keep getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah. Hours and hours of fishing, and only one short flounder caught. And finally, pulled it off. We are gonna have to get this. It is a beast of a drift though, because you got to keep off this bank. The wind is blowing us into it, so I have to keep bumping us out. Pain in the butt. But there we go, first keeper flounder of the year. All right, let's see if we can get another one. Just an update, guys. So we got one keeper so far. Everybody's looking a little tired. Anybody tired yet? No?
I get a little drunk.
Got one keeper in the boat, one short that we caught in the beginning of the morning. And now we're just cruising, doing one last drift. Coast Guard is doing some drills. We're gonna go see if we can catch some more fish. Hang on. All right, sorry about that. I was interrupted, but there's Coast Guard right out there. They just dropped somebody in the water and they picked them up. Pretty cool. They got the cutter out there. We're gonna get moving and get to the next spot. See you there. Don't hurt yourself though. Today was a tough day. It was pretty windy, overcast, foggy, but we managed to get it done. We got one keeper flounder. We're gonna get a good solid measurement on this guy. Hold on 1 second here. Let's see. So I knew he was over 18 when I caught him, but let's just see here. So he's about 19 and a quarter. Not a bad size flounder. Gonna make a good dinner. So as you guys saw, we were fishing some dredge piping and stuff like that today, and barges and whatnot. Last year we did really good. They were dredging the main channel out here in AC, and they had multiple barges and pipes and everything like that. So we were fishing right on top of those pipes last year. We did really, really well. Pretty much the pipes and the barges and everything give these flounders shade to get under, get out of the heat and everything. And then also they're from the barges constantly working and dredging and whatnot. It stirs up the sand, which gets these crabs and everything that these flounder feed on, gets them moving. So the flounder really like to hide underneath those pipes and underneath the barges and everything. Gives them some room to get some more food. So, but anyway, today was a slow start. It was our first day out on the boat this year, so we'll see. Got to start somewhere. So we wound up pulling at least one keeper and one short. We missed a few today, so. But thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next episode. Peace.